to making a Star Lapse using an Insta 360 is to find an optimal location where you'll be able to capture the stars with the best clarity and minimal light pollution. Walking up the hill, all the way up there. Whew. Just gotta take a second and take a breath. Damn. This hill I'm going up is pretty steep. But all these views, huh? Whew. Wow. That high altitude, hard on the lungs, I'll tell you that. But I made it. I'm at the top. Alright guys, now that we're at the top, we're gonna set up the tripod, throw the 360 camera on there, and then we'll get all the settings correct, and leave it overnight, come back in the morning and check it out. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get it set up right here. This is a good spot. It's like big panoramic views all around it. Got mountains in every direction, so I think it's gonna be a good video. Alright, so for this next step, go ahead and open up the Insta 360 app, turn your camera on, and connect it to the app. Wait for it to connect to the app, then click on the little camera icon, scroll over to the left, and click on Starlapse. Make sure it's on manual mode, and turn the shutter to 80. Then change the ISO to 800 and the white balance to auto. Alright, so now that we got the camera all set up, I'm just gonna let it sit here overnight. I don't freeway of my put bars at every exit to mark the mile. Hey guys, it's 8:30 in the morning. I got my green tea. Just cooking up a little noodles for breakfast. Then I'm gonna head up the hill and grab the camera. See you up there. Alright, time to head up the hill. Hey guys, I'm back at the top again. Camera is still here. Heck yeah. Wasn't really worried about anyone taking it at the top of this steep hill, so let's get the footage and go check it out.